garden lover's delight. This 3-bedroom/2 full bath home offers great curb appeal and a backyard perfect for gardening, with plenty of sunshine and space for growing your favorite flowers or vegetables, a rare find in Lake of the Woods. The large great room with vaulted ceilings, gas fireplace and stunning plantation shutters opens to the kitchen, which features granite counters, a ceramic backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and dining area. The massive, primary bedroom opens to a screen porch and includes 2 walk-in closets. A large bath features a double sink vanity, large soaking tub and separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms, full bath, and laundry/mudroom complete the nearly 2,100 square feet of main level living. Other features: concrete edging on the front and side yards, beautiful landscaping, 2-car garage, large deck, many newer appliances, upgraded carpets, paved circular driveway and great location near the front gate and walking distance to Sweetbriar Park, that features recreational activities. All of this in amenity-rich Lake of the Woods, with so much to do, so little time, so get this lake life started. Enjoy the 2 lakes and the many water sports possible such as fishing, boating, jet skiing, tubing, water skiing or wakeboarding, paddle boards or kayaks. Enjoy fine dining at the clubhouse or a beverage watching sporting event at the clubhouse sports bar or the Woods Center. Jump in one of 2 swimming pools or work out in the fitness center. If you like rackets, join the pickleball or tennis clubs. If theater is your thing, enjoy the low players' performances at the community center, or better yet, discover your acting talents by auditioning. Hit the fairways at the 18-hole PGA golf course and enjoy the 19th hole at the Woods Center. There is even an equestrian center.